Hello everyone, my name is Chandni Dalmia and I have secured All India Rank 11 in CS Professional December 2022. I am very thankful to MOHIT Agarwal Sir and Mepl classes for the constant support and all the lectures that I have taken from there. I had also secured All India Rank 4 in CS Executive, and even in that I had taken my lectures, almost all 8 papers in CS Executive from MOHIT Agarwal Sir, and this time also I had taken my classes for professional and it paid back obviously, and I am very thankful to him for the way he taught everything, the 3 concepts: understand, learn and revise. That helped a lot. The YouTube marathon videos, even after being disconnected for such long time, the revision videos were always there. I am very thankful for that. Thank you.